This guy's got the ultimate solution. You're a little bit short. Just get up on the old stool, foot on the rail, toss. Yes, sir. I see lots of shrimp eyes in there, glowing in the dark. It's got a hefty haul. Oh yeah. Nice. I like it.
Not too much, huh?
Not that time, but
Yeah, not bad.
there's a lot of them here and there. And the chaos continues. Not a bad haul for one toss.
30. Little exercise.
Nice. Are they getting all the shrimp? You getting it? You getting the shrimp?
Yes, get shrimp. It's okay, puppy.
The huskies, they like that fish and shrimp.
Yeah.
What you get? It's a camera hog. Put me on TV. Lots of shrimp. Well, there you have it. More of the 2021 shrimp run. It's Wednesday, September, what is it, 22nd? Something like that. And that's the shrimp run. Enjoy. Madness. Free shrimp.